Hey there, today's question comes from 9-year-old Yella, which is, how do you develop an AI? To answer this question is MIT researcher Téo Sanchez.
Hello Yella, hello everyone. So I will try to explain how modern AI systems are actually built, such as the ones that recognize elements on images or can have a conversation. Most modern AI systems are built using a technique called machine learning. There are special kinds of computer programs that can learn from examples and learn from its mistake, almost like humans do. To build such algorithm, we use something called an artificial neural network, which mimic how the brain works. And the brain has neurons that are connected to each other. Here, the neural network is depicted like a graph, and every circle is a neuron, and they are connected to each other. So let's take a concrete example. Let's try to make this algorithm learn how to recognize cats and dogs. Here there is a picture of a dog, and in the computer it's made of pixels. And before we train the AI, we need to label this image. We say it's a dog. And then these pixels are like a long table of numbers that are fed into the network. And then the network try to guess an answer from this input. Here it says it's a cat with 95% probability, but we know it's wrong. We know it's actually a dog. And so essentially this algorithm needs to be corrected. It has to learn from its mistake, and we have to repeat this process many times with many different pictures of cats and dogs. Engineers train AI systems by writing code that looks like this, and they write this code to define the structure of the neural network, to collect the data, to process the data, and to check the performance at the end of the training. Now the AI is trained, and we obtain over 90% accuracy, which means the system makes a mistake every 10 trials, which is pretty good. And it summarizes the core ideas behind training an AI system. You have to collect data, to label them, so that the system knows where it fails and try to correct its own mistakes. And finally, we can check the performance to be sure that the system is behaving properly